Looking for a reliable and feature-rich Forex broker to take your trading to the next level? In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at FxPro, a globally recognized online trading broker. So stick around to find out what sets FxPro apart and whether it could be the right choice for your trading journey. Be sure to like and subscribe to our videos for future content, as it greatly supports the channel. Let's dive straight into it. FxPro is a well-established online broker that has been serving traders since 2006, and today operates in more than 170 countries worldwide. It has become one of the leading names in Forex and CFD trading. What sets FxPro apart is its strong regulatory foundation, holding multiple licenses from respected authorities. This level of regulation provides traders with confidence, knowing their funds are protected and the broker operates with transparency. When it comes to trading, FxPro gives clients access to a wide range of instruments, and traders can choose from multiple industry-standard platforms. With a minimum deposit starting at $100, it's accessible for beginners while still offering the tools and features that more experienced traders look for. On top of that, FxPro has earned a strong reputation for customer support, providing multilingual assistance 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. Over the years, it has also collected over 129 international awards, highlighting its credibility and global recognition in the trading industry. FxPro offers an extensive range of trading instruments through CFDs, giving clients access to more than 2,100 assets across global markets. Traders can choose from over 70 Forex pairs, including major, minor, and exotic currencies, making it suitable for those who want both stability and volatility in their trading choices. The broker also provides a strong selection of global indices from the US, Europe, and Asia, allowing traders to speculate on the performance of entire economies or sectors. For those interested in equities, FxPro offers stock CFDs on some of the world's biggest companies, without the need to directly own the shares. In the commodities space, clients can trade popular assets like oil, natural gas, and soft commodities, alongside precious metals such as gold, silver, and platinum, which are often seen as safe haven instruments. On top of this, FxPro includes futures contracts and a growing list of leading cryptocurrencies, depending on the client's jurisdiction, giving traders the flexibility to diversify their portfolios across both traditional and modern markets. FxPro operates under a robust multi-jurisdictional regulatory framework designed to protect clients and ensure transparency. It is authorized and regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority in the UK, the Financial Sector Conduct Authority in South Africa, the Securities Commission of the Bahamas, and the Financial Services Authority of Seychelles. Client funds are kept in segregated accounts at major international banks, meaning their deposits are held separately from the company's own capital. FxPro also offers negative balance protection, which ensures that clients cannot lose more than the total funds they have deposited. Additionally, in the UK, FxPro UK Limited is a member of the Financial Services Compensation Scheme, which provides coverage in the event the broker becomes unable to meet obligations. FxPro's Full Forward Bonus Promotion is a limited-time offer designed to boost trading capital and lower trading costs for both new and existing clients. The promotion provides a 100% deposit credit bonus on deposits made into a new MetaTrader 5 promo account, along with a 15% spread rebate on each trade executed, effectively reducing overall trading costs. Existing clients can participate by opening a new MetaTrader 5 promo account, while new clients can register directly through the promotional link. This initiative highlights the broker's commitment to providing enhanced trading conditions and added incentives for its clients. FxPro generally takes a conservative stance on public bonuses, especially in heavily regulated regions, preferring instead to focus on transparent trading conditions. One of the main ongoing promotions is the Invite a Friend program, where both the referrer and the referee receive $50 once certain conditions, such as account verification, deposits, and trading volume are met. They also offer a free virtual private server service for traders who meet certain monthly trading lot thresholds. This helps with faster, more stable platform performance, especially for those using automated strategies. The broker offers traders a choice of 4 major trading platforms: MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, cTrader, and its very own proprietary platform, each available across desktop, web, and mobile. MetaTrader 4 remains a favorite for those who want reliability, simplicity, widespread compatibility, and support for expert advisors. MetaTrader 5 adds more advanced tools, such as more built-in order types, a broader set of timeframes, an economic calendar, and support for features like depth of market. cTrader is aimed at users who want lower latency, tighter spreads, often via raw spread accounts, more modern charting tools, and more flexibility in order execution. FxPro's proprietary platform adds a more streamlined interface, with strong charting tools, customizable layouts, and the convenience of combining trade management as well as mobile and web access in one place. The broker offers several account types designed to suit different trading styles and experience levels. The main options are the Standard, Raw Plus, and Elite accounts, all available on MetaTrader 4, 5, and in many cases, cTrader. The Standard account is ideal for beginners or casual traders, featuring all-inclusive variable spreads, little to no commission, and a lower minimum deposit. The Raw Plus account is aimed at more active traders, offering tighter, almost raw spreads combined with a commission per trade, which can make a significant difference for frequent trading. Finally, the Elite account is FxPro's premium option, providing the best spreads and additional perks such as rebates and proprietary services for high-volume or professional traders. Account availability, spreads, commissions, and minimum deposits vary depending on the client's jurisdiction, as local regulations influence which accounts can be accessed. The broker also offers a percentage allocation money management account, which lets experienced traders manage pooled funds from multiple investors. Trades executed on the master account are automatically allocated to investors based on their contribution, allowing managers to earn performance fees while investors benefit from their expertise. The PAM system supports manual trading and expert advisors on MetaTrader 4 and 5, and offers flexible allocation methods. The broker offers a swap-free Islamic trading account designed for traders who wish to engage in financial markets while adhering to Islamic finance principles. This account eliminates overnight swap fees, ensuring compliance with Sharia law. Trades are executed immediately, avoiding delayed settlements that could lead to speculation. The account provides transparency with no hidden commissions. Traders can contact FxPro's customer support for further details and assistance. FxPro offers a free demo account that allows traders to practice and refine their skills in a risk-free environment. Upon registration, users receive a virtual balance to trade across various instruments. The demo account is available on all major platforms and can be accessed via desktop, web, or mobile apps. Traders can open an unlimited number of demo accounts and can top up their virtual balance as needed. Please note that demo accounts are deactivated after 180 days of inactivity and are limited to a maximum of 70 open positions on the MetaTrader 4 and 5 platforms. This setup provides an excellent opportunity for both beginners to learn and experienced traders to test new strategies without financial risk. Creating an account with FxPro is a simple and straightforward process. Firstly, what you'll want to do is head over to their homepage, and on their homepage, click on the Register button. Next, create your profile. Submit your country of residence, email address, and create a password. After you have opened your profile, you will be redirected to the FxPro Client Zone. Within the Client Zone, you can open live or demo accounts, view trading tools, analysis and news, contact support, and much more. The next step would be to either open a live or demo account. Keep in mind that in order to create a live account, you will need to verify and submit your application and credentials in order to open a live account, or you can simply open a demo account. After you have opened your preferred trading account type, the next step would be to download and install your preferred trading platform. In our case, we decided to go with the MetaTrader 5 trading platform. Download and install your preferred trading platform, and then simply log in with your credentials. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the MetaTrader 5 terminal with FxPro. At the top left of the dashboard, you have your Market Watch. Here you can browse and switch between all of the broker's available market instruments. In the center of the dashboard, you have your chart. At the top of the chart, a variety of chart types, drawing tools, and indicators that you can use to customize your chart according to your preferences. If you are new to trading and are new to any of the broker's platforms, FxPro provides a wide variety of video tutorials covering topics such as platform functionality to help you understand the basics of trading and to place your first trade. The broker offers a wide range of deposit and withdrawal methods, all with zero fees from the broker. Available options include bank wire transfers, credit and debit cards, PayPal, Neteller, Skrill, and various local payment methods, tailored to your country and jurisdiction. Deposits are typically processed instantly, especially for e-wallets and cards. Bank wire transfers may take up to 3 to 5 business days, depending on the sending bank and country. Withdrawals are generally returned to the original funding source, and FxPro does not charge any fees. However, third-party banks or payment providers may apply their own fees. For added convenience, FxPro provides a wallet feature that allows instant fund transfers between your wallet and trading accounts, with funds protected from market exposure. The broker offers a comprehensive suite of educational resources to support traders at all levels. Their Knowledge Hub includes interactive courses covering basics of trading, fundamental and technical analysis, trader psychology, and more. These courses are presented in bite-sized, illustrated cards for easy understanding and include quizzes for self-assessment. For visual learners, the Watch and Learn series provides step-by-step video tutorials on topics like platform installation, account verification, and trading strategies. Additionally, FxPro's webinars offer live sessions with expert traders, covering market analysis, trading techniques, and Q&A sessions. To complement these resources, the broker provides practical tools such as an all-in-one FX calculator, technical analysis by Trading Central, and a virtual private server guide to enhance trading efficiency. FxPro provides a comprehensive suite of market insights through its dedicated platform. This resource delivers daily technical analysis, in-depth reviews, and independent forecasts across various asset classes. The content is produced by the FxPro analyst team, aiming to present complex market developments in an accessible and actionable format. Traders can also access real-time updates and market signals via the FxPro Telegram Trading Assistant, enhancing their ability to respond promptly to market movements. Additionally, the broker offers an economic calendar, which helps traders plan their strategies around key economic events and indicators. These tools are designed to support both novice and experienced traders in making informed decisions. Over the years of operation, FxPro has been recognized with over 125 prestigious industry awards, affirming its position as a leading global broker. These accolades span 73 different award categories and have been conferred by 34 unique awarding bodies, underscoring the broker's commitment to excellence in the financial industry. Notably, FxPro was honored as the Broker of the Year at the UF Global Awards in 2025, a testament to its dedication to innovation and superior trading conditions. Additionally, the company has received the Most Transparent Broker Award, Best Customer Service Award, Best Forex Trading Application, Best Professional Trading Conditions, Most Reliable Broker, and many other awards. Overall, FxPro stands as a distinguished online trading broker renowned for its unwavering commitment to providing traders with a secure, transparent, and feature-rich trading environment. Since its inception in 1999, FxPro has expanded to reach more than 170 countries, serving more than 11 million client accounts globally. FxPro operates under the stringent oversight of multiple regulatory bodies, ensuring a high standard of security and compliance. Notably, FxPro Financial Services Limited is authorized and regulated by the South African Financial Sector Conduct Authority, providing services to clients within South Africa. The broker offers a diverse range of trading platforms to cater to various trading preferences. Traders can choose from popular platforms such as MetaTrader 4 and 5, as well as cTrader and the broker's proprietary FxPro platform. These platforms are designed to provide seamless trading experiences equipped with advanced charting tools, real-time market data, and automated trading capabilities. The broker provides an extensive suite of educational resources, including interactive courses, video tutorials, and webinars. These materials cover a wide array of topics, from the basics of trading to advanced strategies, catering to both novice and experienced traders. FxPro's excellence in the trading industry has been continuously recognized, as the broker has received over 120 prestigious awards. These accolades underscore FxPro's commitment to delivering exceptional trading services. So whether you're a novice trader seeking a user-friendly platform or an experienced trader looking for advanced tools and features, FxPro offers a comprehensive trading solution. With its robust regulatory framework, diverse platform options, and commitment to trader education, FxPro continues to be a trusted choice for traders worldwide. And that is our overview of FxPro. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.